To manage your Absa Bank student account effectively, start by understanding the benefits and features associated with this type of account. Absa Bank offers student accounts specifically designed for students, providing a range of benefits such as low or no monthly fees, overdraft facilities, and access to digital banking. First, ensure you have all the necessary documents to open or manage your student account. These typically include your student card, identification document, and proof of residence. If you are an international student, you may need to provide additional documentation such as a study permit. Next, familiarize yourself with Absa Bank's digital banking platforms, including their mobile app and online banking service. These tools allow you to manage your account from anywhere, check your balance, view transaction history, and transfer funds. You can download the Absa Bank app from your device's app store or access online banking through the Absa Bank website. To keep track of your spending and stay within your budget, set up account notifications. This can be done through the app or online banking, and will alert you to transactions, low balances, and other important account activity. Another key aspect of managing your student account is understanding overdrafts and credit limits. Absa Bank may offer an overdraft facility with your student account, allowing you to withdraw more money than you have in your account up to a certain limit. Be cautious when using this facility, as overdrafts can incur interest and fees. To avoid unnecessary fees, keep a close eye on your account balance and ensure you have sufficient funds to cover any debit orders or transactions. You can also set up debit orders and scheduled payments through the app or online banking, making it easier to manage your finances and avoid late payments. Finally, take advantage of Absa Bank's financial education resources and tools, designed to help students manage their finances effectively. These resources may include budgeting guides, savings tips, and investment advice, all aimed at helping you make the most of your money while studying. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features and benefits associated with your Absa Bank student account, you can effectively manage your finances and set yourself up for long-term financial success. Remember to stay informed, keep track of your spending, and make the most of the resources available to you as an Absa Bank student account holder.